presenting today. Please help me welcome with some applause, Kulwant Nagi. Hello, everyone. Hello. How many of you are feeling tired? No? Oh, that's good. That's good. That means you are more interested to learn some new techniques to make money online, isn't it? That's amazing one. So my name is Kulwant Nagi. I am from India, and I'll share a little bit story about myself, like how I started this career as a blogger, and then how I approached different companies to work with them. It all started like in 2011 when I was looking for some methods to make money online. And then somehow a friend of mine came to me and said, Kulwant, do you know, there is a way, it's called blogging, and you can really make money online by doing the blogging. So he just came to me, he just introduced this new concept to me, and being a curious guy, I just went on Google and then typed how to make money online, what exactly this blogging is. And let's start with the first slide. So I started my blogging career in 2011 from a very small town, and I started my career on 2G mobile internet. Like speed was so damn low, like 100 kbps, that's it. And I used to blog on 2G mobile internet. I continued blogging for 18 months by using that slow internet, right? And then I made my first dollar after 7 months, and that was like an aha moment in my life. Like I could believe that the system was working. I could believe that the money was coming online, right? So this is how I got motivated to do more about the blogging, and then this is how I hired more staff. Now I have like a team of 20 guys working with me, and they just do all the content writing stuff. I do all the planning for them, and then we are running more than 20 blogs right now on different things like technology, travel, sports, health, gaming, and we have different blogs in different niches, right? So, my love of travel, can we go back? One more. So these are some of the pictures. I traveled the world. Till now, being a small town guy, I couldn't even think to going outside India. But this blogging career gave me so much freedom that I have traveled 16 countries so far, and I have planned more 10 countries this year as well. So this gave me a lot of freedom to like travel the world, to meet with amazing people like you, and then make the money on the automation. So let's see some facts before proceeding further, like what exactly this blogging is and how can we be a good blogger, right? So 74% people read reviews before buying anything. How many of you read the reviews before buying anything? I think we all of them, right? We go to Google and then we type the product which we are going to buy. And here's another fact. Okay, 79% of online shoppers spend 50% of shopping time researching products online. And how do they search? How do they find the products? They find on the blogs. 77% of the internet users read blogs. And the keywords in the blogs drive traffic from the search engine. Like Neil Patel was already suggesting about writing an article having at least 2,200 words, right? So if you cover more keywords in a single article, then it's going to rank for multiple number of the keywords. Right now, I have an article on one of my blog. That single article is ranking for 10,300 keywords. Single article for 10,000 keywords, right? So if you write long articles, then ultimately you are going to rank for multiple keywords, and ultimately it's going to bring more business to you. So another fact, 81% of the US online consumers trust information and advice from the blogs. So being a blogger is a good thing, right? So how to make passive income with a blog? So the very first thing I recommend to all of my students, all of my friends, is you will have to understand the intent of the keyword. I get a lot of emails from my readers, from my friends, and a lot of other readers from different countries, and they have a same question, like everyone has same question. I'm not getting any traffic on my blog. I'm putting a lot of efforts, I'm spending a lot of time to write the content, but still I'm not getting the traffic. You know what is the problem? The problem is they don't understand the intent of the keyword. If you don't understand the intent of the keyword and you keep on writing different articles on your blogs, it's not going to bring any revenue. It's not going to bring any sales. So the very first thing being a blogger I do is we understand the keywords. And how can we do that? So these are the type of keywords: navigational keywords, informational keywords, and transactional keywords. In navigational keywords, we just go to Google and then type like SBI, Facebook, Gmail login. These are the navigational keywords, and these are called generic keywords. Like it's a keyword everyone is using, right? If we go to the next stage, it's called informational keywords. How to lose weight, right? Like Neil was suggesting yesterday, you should have an article which would work 3 years from now, 5 years from now, right? If people are searching on Google today, how to lose weight, 5 years from now, they're going to search it again and again. It's a evergreen term, right? And another one is iPhone X review, home for rent, and another one, if we go to the next, it's transactional keywords. These are the keywords which bring main revenue to any company, right? Buy iPhone, 32-inch TV, cheap flights. I'll show you examples. So this one example, Facebook login. These are the first type of the keywords, navigational keywords. Another one, how to lose weight. If you see one thing, can we go back? Can we go to the back slide, last slide? Okay. So if you see that on this keyword, this is a generic keyword, Facebook login. You don't see any ads, right? Because these are the branded keywords and you can't run ads for these keywords. And another one, how to lose weight. It's a bit specific keyword, but still you don't see any ads on Google. But if we go for the next keywords, transactional keywords, you see a lot of ads. That means if any company is putting money on Google AdWords and advertising the products, it means the money is there, right? That's why they are putting a lot of efforts to advertise the products on Google. So being a blogger, what I personally do is we find these final keywords, these transactional keywords, and then we build the blog around those keywords. I had a case study where we started a blog and we optimized that blog in such a way that it was ranking at Google #1 position for the main keyword. And the keyword was, let's say the product's name is ABC. So the keyword was ABC coupon, ABC discount. And I was ranking for #1 in Google. To my surprise, that one article was bringing me like 5,000 visitors a month. 5,000 visitors a month, but the shocking thing was that one article was fetching me $15,000 just from 5,000 visitors. Why? Because I was ranking for the buyer term. I was ranking for the buyer keyword. Someone is looking to Google like cheap flights, cheap hotels. He is your buyer. That's why he is looking on Google for those type of keywords. So the buyer persona is very important. If you don't understand the buyer persona, I think being a blogger would be something difficult. If you understand the buyer persona, if you understand your audience, that where should you pitch your audience so that they are more interested to buy your products. So the second thing we do is, someone searched about the query on Google, now he is on your blog, right? So now it's your duty, it's your turn to convert that visitor into a buyer. So how can we do that? There is a rule called ADA rule. How many of you have heard about this rule? ADA rule. So this rule says attention, interest, desire, and action. Whenever you write any article, it should, or I would say it must, follow this principle. It should start with the attention, then interest, desire, and then action. And this formula is applicable everywhere. If you go to the showroom, if you go to buy shoes, go to buy shirts, this formula is applicable everywhere. Let's see how it is. Let's say you're going to the market to buy a new mobile phone, right? As soon as you enter in the market, in the shop, you will see a lot of phones just placed there in the showcase. Why do they do this? To get your attention, right? So they get this first phase, attention. Second, in the interest phase, but they will tell you that this phone has this much memory, the screen size is this, the RAM is this, so and so. So what they do in this phase is they build your interest to buy that product. Now they come to the third stage, decision-making stage. They will convince you and tell you that this is the best phone in the market right now, and if you buy this product right now, it would be amazing for you because it has new features, right? So now they help you to make the decision, and then finally you take the action, and the action is you just pull out your credit card and pay the money, right? This formula is applicable everywhere in the world, and if you use this formula in your blog articles, I personally use this formula and I have seen like huge conversion because we proceed the reader to all of these elements and then ultimately he makes the buying decision. So hold them with the exit intent. So exit intent is a technology where you can hold your readers as soon as they try to close the browser. So as soon as they move the cursor to the close browser option, there will be a pop-up. And the pop-up, what I'm doing here is I have an article on my blog, and in that article we explained about email marketing. So as soon as they finish reading the article and try to close the browser, I show them, okay, try it free. Try it free now for 30 days, and then ultimately I capture those readers. I have installed a tracking on this link, and 3 days back I was just checking this pop-up. Only this pop-up alone has driven me like $7,000 in last 30 days. Just this one pop-up, right? So you can hold your visitors and then tell them that please stop, I have something for you. So the plugins I recommend is Thrive Leads and Opt-in Monster. Even Neil was recommending you Thrive Leads. This is the most amazing plugin I have ever seen. And you can install like pop-ups, exit intent, and a lot of other good things. Thrive Leads and Opt-in Monster. So use Facebook Retarget Pixel. Right now, as I told you, we have more than 20 blogs on different categories, and we have installed Facebook Pixel on all of the blogs. What we do there is, as soon as someone is coming to our blog, we are just firing a pixel where we can capture them once again. And I have seen that most of the bloggers are not doing this. Why? They have a reason. They say that we are not going to do any type of marketing, so why do we install this pixel, right? But my answer to them is, what is taking to install a pixel? You just copy the code and paste it in your header. That's it. As simple as that. So we installed Facebook Retarget Pixel, and this is how we generated audience in like 1.5 million lookalike audience, 2.5 million, 2,000, 3,000, and we have a different audience on our blog. If we have something in future, like we announce any product, we do any special coaching, we do any private session, so I can run a Facebook ad and only those people are going to see the ads, right? You can do it with audience. You go to audience, you collect your pixel, and by default, the value here will be 30 days. So you just change that value from 30 days to 180 days so that you can capture your visitors for next 180 days, right? Recently, we did another case study where we ran an email marketing campaign, and I spent somewhere around like only $1,000, I would say dollars, yeah, $1,000, and we had a Facebook pixel on that one article. So all the people who were coming to that article, we were just firing a pixel, right? So I did this experiment on Black Friday, right? So you know that on Black Friday we have a lot of deals. So we just pixeled all of the audience on my blog, and on the Black Friday we ran another ads, and then we ended up making like $9,000 in just 4 days just by running the ads, right? So this is the beauty of installing the Facebook pixel on your blogs. So you should capture email leads. So what you can do is, as Neil was already suggesting, that he is getting 40% of his blog's revenue from the emails, right? So it's very powerful. So you can get visitors on each post, you can sell anything, you can announce anything, you're safe from Google, and you have an asset. Like you have, like, let's say 10,000 emails. So you have that asset right now. If you want to announce anything, just send an email and tell them that I'm doing this and that, right? So this is something we do. This is one of the free course I have created. We call it Lead Magnet. So I'm giving a free 7 days blogging training. You just click on that button. The pop-up will be there. I created with the Thrive Leads. And another option you can have is create a community, and it's like strongly recommended. If you're running any blog, if you're running any type of business, you should have a community around your business. So we have created a special group for bloggers, and we named it Blogging Cage VIP. So we have 18,000 members in that group, and they keep on asking different questions related to blogging, to make money online, to driving traffic, and we do a lot of discussions about blogging. So you can access this group just by going to Google and typing bloggingcagevip.com. The name of this group, Blogging Cage VIP. So we have registered a domain for this. Just go there, bloggingcagevip.com, and it will redirect you to this private group. So how to grow that Facebook group? You have created a group, but how to grow that? So this is one plugin I use, comment redirect plugin. As soon as someone comes to my blog, he or she likes the content, and they try to comment on the article. As soon as they comment, I redirect them to a page where I say, thank you for commenting, and we have something for you. I have created a group where you can interact with another amazing bloggers. This is the link, just click here and join the group. So I'm leveraging all of the people who are just coming to my blog and commenting, right? So this one plugin can help you to redirect the people who are commenting on your blogs. Another plugin I use is Thrive Leads. So you can show the pop-up like this. These are slide-ins. So you can, this is just an example. So you can put your Facebook group's link here and tell your readers that we have created a special group. Just click here and sign up for the group. And just last one. So we promote them in the emails. Like I have shown you, we have created a free 7 days training for bloggers, how to start blogging. So when I send them an email, I tell them that we have, make sure you join Blogging Cage VIP group to learn blogging from the experts, and yes, it's free, right? So we all like free things. So we can get the people joining to that group from these emails, and then this is how we can do blogging in a more professional way, and then we can get more sales with blogging. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do we have any questions? Anyone? I think we don't have. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
And all right, everyone. So guys, I don't think we're doing the panel anymore. Yeah, that's it. We're done because it's 7:30 now. So obviously we went through longer than we wanted to, but we wanted to make sure we got everybody here for you guys to all the presentations in. So hopefully everybody enjoyed that. For the people that are still here.